YouTube. Here we go once again. A work of art by my lovely fiance. Isn't that something, y'all? Look at that. And look, y'all think that's cream cheese, don't you? But it ain't. She made it from scratch. I think. Ain't that right, baby? Sorta. Okay. Okay, what we got right here? What is it? This ain't normal eggs, is it? What is this, babe? Spinach and eggs? Spinach. Oh my god! And of course her delicious bacon. But what is this? God, look at that YouTube. What is that like? What kind of cream cheese is
Blueberry
that?
cream cheese.
Made directly from what, baby? You conceived it. Wow.
They didn't have any in the store.
So you had to make it. Let's see, y'all. Here we go. It's the test. Oh my God. Yes, of course it did. Y'all look. We got the recipes coming, y'all. I'm telling you that right now. So, y'all ladies out there can make y'all man some of these good dishes. Mm, mm, mm. Cookbook coming. Love you guys.